Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best women's running shoes on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Brooks Adrenaline GTS 22. The Brooks Adrenaline GTS 22 is an updated version of one of Brooks's longest-standing, most popular shoes. With a redesigned midsole and collar, it seems like the engineers behind this shoe thought of everything. The midsole now boasts 100% DNA loft for responsive and consistent comfort. The beveled heel cup tapers to better accommodate the natural anatomy of the ankle, and the number of width options available ensures that most runners will be able to find their perfect fit. As with past iterations, the Adrenaline is a traditionally shaped and supportive, 12mm drop road running shoe. We find that the built-in lateral guide rails provide great support, especially as your legs fatigue. If you are in the market for a versatile running shoe that can take you from sprints to marathons to light trails and beyond, look no further because the Adrenaline 22 is our choice for the best overall women's running shoe. A well-supported shoe with ample, yet firm cushioning might not appeal to all runners. Despite its versatility, runners looking to hit super fast paces in a shoe built for speed might not like the relatively average weight and cushion of the Adrenaline 22. But if you are looking for a shoe that is going to meet the mark on a variety of run types and styles, this comfortable and versatile running shoe is our top recommendation for you. Number 2. Our second best pick is Saucony Kinvara 13. A lightweight running shoe doesn't automatically mean it will be a standout performer across the board. In the case of the Kinvara 13, though, you get the best of all worlds and then some. This shoe is lightweight, responsive, comfortable, and comes at an affordable price, which is why it earns our coveted honor for its value. The Purin Plus base is shock-absorbing, and the form-fit sole enhances its responsiveness, making this an excellent option for racing or fast workouts when speed is a priority. This shoe continues to be our first choice for tempo runs, track workouts, and middle-distance race days. The heel and collar are snug and don't slip when in motion. Both features have been reconfigured to provide better comfort and durability. The sock-like fit of the Kinvara makes the shoe feel like a natural part of our bodies. Its weightlessness also adds to this liberating sensation. The laces stay tied tight for the long haul, and the tongue is perfectly padded. With this version, Saucony redesigned the lace bed for added comfort, and it really shows. They are now making the Kinvara with a single piece of mesh on the upper, which creates an even more flexible shoe. This version is more durable than the versions of the Kinvara that we have tested in the past, further cementing its standing as an incredible budget buy. Number 3. Our third best pick is Saucony Endorphin Pro 2. The Saucony Endorphin Pro 2 has become a mainstay in our collection of trainers. Highly responsive due to the updated Purin PB foam composition and carbon plate midsole, this shoe is a great choice for races and up-tempo days. The durable sole plate enhances the responsiveness by creating a rolling effect from one step to the next, and a single layer of thin yet soft form-fit mesh across the upper keeps your feet feeling light and secure. The stretchy tongue attachments create a snug fit that keeps the tongue from shifting and becoming uncomfortable. Because each shoe is constructed from a single piece of material, opportunities for hotspots and blisters are impressively low. As a bonus, the Endorphin Pro 2 is composed of vegan materials and is blissfully lightweight. A women's size 7 weighs in at only 6.4 ounces. We felt faster than ever on our tempo runs, and we believe anyone looking to PR or try sprint training will love this responsive pair of shoes. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Brooks Ghost 14. When it comes to a traditionally shaped running shoe that offers tremendous lateral support without any unnecessary architecture, we recommend the Brooks Ghost 14. One of the more well-balanced shoes with plenty of cushioning and a touch of stability, we recommend the Ghost for anyone looking to up their mileage in a supportive shoe. Though the Ghost is touted as a neutral shoe, we love the lateral support it provides. It is very comfortable, though not as soft and plush as other shoes we know and love by Brooks. If you want a stable shoe without any obvious bells and whistles, the aptly named Ghost is a great option for you to consider. Over our months testing this shoe, we found that we opted for it above others simply because of how perfectly it suited long, base-building runs. Overpronators will love how securely the Ghost holds their feet, despite this shoe being largely advertised as being neutrally supportive. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is HOKA 11 Bondi 7. Whether you want a little bit of extra padding on your recovery days, impact reduction from everyday aches and pains, or a pair of shoes that will support you through your everyday activities, the HOKA Bondi 7 is a great choice. Don't let its distinct appearance fool you. This shoe offers a stable and snug midfoot fit with ample toe box real estate. The EVA foam base is super stacked, measuring 31 mm tall at the heel. While mega plush, this beefy base will feel weighty at first to runners accustomed to a more minimalist feel. Not only does the thick base absorb impact, but the internal structure is smooth and comfortable. The underfoot cushioning and stack height takes some getting used to, but the Bondi is fantastic for anyone with a history of overuse injuries, shin splints, or joint pain. Unsurprisingly, these shoes are quite heavy compared to the rest of our lineup. Outweighed by only a few pairs in this technologically advanced day and age, the Bondi 7 weighs in at nearly 9 ounces per shoe for a women's size 7. However, in this instance, we don't mind. They aren't great sprinting shoes, but they aren't meant for that either. The plush footbed adds weight and bulk, but the cushion is appreciated on long-distance runs, and we never felt overly weighed down. Great for runners, walkers, and hard workers alike, anyone who spends a lot of time on their feet will be satisfied with these durable and comfortable shoes. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.